If you want to customize your windows, then this is the only application you need. As you guys know, you can't really customize windows. There isn't much to customize. You can change colors, wallpapers, that's it. If you want to customize windows, you'll have to use third-party softwares. There are many, but in my opinion, this is the best and only Windows customization tool you need. And there are a couple of reasons. First of all, this is completely free. Second, it doesn't use much resources. Let me actually show you guys the resources that it's using. So you can see it's running, and I'm actually using 2 mods. Each mod is using 0% of CPU and couple megabytes, like 1 or 2 megabytes of RAM. Let's just say it doesn't affect the performance in any way. And another reason why this is so good, most Windows customization tools will either add extra on top to customize. Let's say start menu, maybe they'll replace start menu with their own software, or they'll add top bar or something else to customize. So this thing actually customizes whatever we have on the Windows. So first of all, how this thing actually works is it uses something called mods. So this is the home page, and you can see I'm using 2 mods, and these are the most popular mods actually. So here you can see it says featured mods, or you can go here at the top to explore, and here you'll find many mods to modify or customize Windows. Okay, as I said, these are the 2 most popular mods which I have already installed. I can go into the details to install them. It's pretty simple actually. Let me just say I want to install this mod. So you basically go into the details of the mod that you want to install, and then you can just click on install. Okay, now let's talk about the customization actually. So once you have the mod installed, you just go into home page. Here you'll see list of mods that you have installed at the top, and then you can go into the details. Okay, you can learn how this thing works, the mod. Okay, I want to customize the start menu, let's say, and here you simply go into the settings, and here under theme you can select the theme. By default it will be set to none, and this is how Windows 11's start menu looks by default. So basically this thing can customize it to look completely different. Let's say Windows 10 style theme. Okay, I'm gonna select that, save. There we go. So this is the Windows 10 style theme, and you can see that it didn't added extra third-party tools. It actually modified the existing Windows start menu basically. So that is the reason why this tool doesn't use much resources in the background. This basically modifies the existing thing of the Windows. That's the best way I can explain you guys this. Okay, Windows 11 Metro 10. So this also looks similar to Windows 10 style, but there is a differences. Flown to Inspire. Yeah, this one also looks different. Okay, so Rose Pine, I think this is the most unique start menu style. Okay, this is minimal, and you can also match this with the taskbar. Okay, let's say I want to have this theme. If you go into the details, you can learn more about it, and you can see all the themes that it has. Okay, and one more thing about this application is that you can also make your own theme. People who know how to modify have actually created their own themes. Like for example, this one, Windows centered taskbar. Okay, so you can see this is from the WinStar theme. So this guy makes really cool themes for Windhawk. I think this is the best one. It makes the taskbar center. So you can copy the code for this theme from here to the Windhawk, and yeah, you get the idea. Okay, now I want to customize the taskbar. Okay, so we have the taskbar styler mod, so we can go into the details, and in details we can get the preview of themes. To apply the theme, we can go into the settings, and under theme we can change these themes for the taskbar. So I'm using the Rose Pine theme. for start menu. So it also has the rose pine theme for the taskbar. Oh wait, I can't apply this theme because its target is Explorer. So right now I'm actually recording a video. So something, maybe my OBS Studio is actually stopping the Explorer to restart. So Explorer needs to be restarted. So I'm gonna actually show you guys in VM. So here we have the rose pine start menu in VM. And now let's get the rose pine in here too. Okay. So here it is. So now if I save, okay, you're gonna see that it's gonna refresh a little bit, and you can see this is the rose pine taskbar. Okay, and it matches with the start menu, just like that. Okay, so we also have other styles like dock-like. It makes it look like dock. Okay, we have this one. Okay, some colors are changed, lucent. So I think this is a transparent, yeah, transparent one. Windows Vista style. Okay, remember that? Windows 7 also had that, I think. And again, as I said, you can also make your own theme. You can also fork existing theme and customize it and all that if you're into that. Windows 11 Metro 10 minimal. Okay, completely got rid of the Windows 11 start menu. It shows you all the apps by default. Okay, if that's something you want, you can go with that. Okay, this actually changes the text colors in start menu. I think Windows 10 one is the best one if you prefer this style. So on, there are many other mods that you can download. These are the most popular ones, and again, as I said, there are couple of things that you can customize in Windows, but still there are other small elements or something that you can still customize or make them look better or work better. So you can go through this and download many other mods if you want to download. So basically this mod, for example, taskbar volume control, you can control system volume with your mouse by scrolling. You can also customize the clock if you want something like that. Okay, yeah, you can go for that. Like you can change the color, make it bold, bigger. Okay, so there are so many mods actually. Last time I checked it, there were little, but now there are too many. Yeah, vertical taskbar. Okay, so you can have vertical taskbar. Okay, as you guys know, Windows 11 isn't customizable that much. Like you can't even move your taskbar anymore to left, right, or top. It stays at the bottom. But with this mod, yeah, you can change it to vertical. So, and this is the only good Windows customizer that I can recommend if you want to customize your Windows. Yeah, there are many, some are even paid out there, but it's even better than the paid options out there. So that's just my opinion. Now, let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this? That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.